Ecija, Pangasinan. Obviously, Coach Gerson from Nueva Ecija to Pangasinan. Sarangani opens up the first
Game.
Gets a worthy start.
Yeah. Here's Marilao.
Slow shot fake.
A one-hander is good. Danny Marilao, look. Mabibilis.
Well, he seems to be a guy that, just takes advantage of yung mga opportunities. And then they jump to 22, I believe.
Yeah.
And then 26. And then 31. Ito mga kasama. Pero ito, you look at the replay. Casinillo posting up.
That was a tough angle.
Ganda.
Pity. Bacolod. Oh my. Fourth para sa kaya Nico Obalde. And Ryan Sual.
Pinawi kagad. Isang oportunidad lang para kay Sual. 3 points pa in one sitting.
Villarente, oh, nice pass. It ends up as a basket para kay Jem Bulawan. Emilio. There's a double team. LA gets it back. Fires a three. That's good.
And that's what you like when you see Casinillo. Parang second season, nandito na yan.
Oh, Casinillo gets it back. Pinilit, but he scores anyway.
Determined to make that shot that time. Rather.
10 of the 15. Ryan Sual.
Yeah, early on dito sa larong ito. Nice
Inside they
drop.
go as Maclean Sabelina puts it in.
Nice cut by Sabelina.
Oh, Sual. Alam mo na papasok.
Good line no? Good. Si Sual. In less than 7 minutes, 10 of the 17. This was a nice drop off from Ubalde to Sabelina.
Play of the game is brought to you by Buenas.
Also a former NU Bulldog.
Potato fires, yes. Grabe yung kumpiyansa sa Tris
Oo.
nitong team na to.
Kakapasok lang no?
At wala si Sual sa loob. Oh, great block. Ricky Peromingan.
Kaya napalpal yun. Mahaba rin
Potato, nice drop
Nice.
pass. Oh, destacamento says no. Tricky. Bounce pass to JR Galit. And he puts it in for two.
And I love the pace of
Cedillo with the rebound.
Good pass.
Peromingan sa ilalim. That's a tough shot.
Peromingan. Nung nakita niya, nalibre siya ng bahagya. Ginamit yung kanyang katawan.
Dito is brought to you by Extreme. Ang subok.
You see the free throws disparity.
Peromingan on the run. Tricky.
Nice.
Nice trail job by JR Galit.
You gotta love the team game nitong.
Octana. Oh, what a block by Miles Cañal.
2-on-1.
Galit puts it in.
Nice. What a smart play on the defensive end by Canal. This is an in-your-face block right here. Terrific outlet. Look at this. Galit, he hurt the way. He was gonna pass the ball. Pero narinig niya yung pito.
Sual. Baseline jumper. He knocks it down plus the foul.
Wow. Much needed basket. Time setting a loader to the other side against this matchup zone. Sual, one dribble pull.
So long, magkapit-bahay daw pala sila. Sabi niya, bagay kami magkasama kasi slasher siya at shooter ako.
Win, marami siyang bonus na makikita.
Oo,
That's
for sure. Janjan Pastias. Oh, Bacolod.
Karamihan ng mga tinitira nila sa labas 4 of 15 from 3. Apat. Kumpara naman sa Bacolod, 4 na attempt pa lang. Why? Because of plays like that.
Labas kay Santa Ana. Jumper is good. 0 for 2. But Jacob Galicia gets the offensive rebound. Pastias short on the jumper. Galicia with another opportunity and he stays patient.
See the changing defense, no? Talagang nade-disrupt nila itong opensa, pero bailout shot nonetheless for Sarangani.
Down the 3 there. Partosa gusto bumawi. He does. Diputado lumapit. Rev is blocked by Manalang.
3-0.
And they're off to the races. Galicia.
Pinas
Diputado.
Poor decision, yeah.
Oo, nilapit pa niya sa depensa eh.
So he made a nice shot fake, but he could have.
Roque. Short. Pass just quickly to Manalang.
3-on-1.
And Manalang scores. With 27 seconds remaining in the first half. J.M. Manalang with the layup.
In the second half para sa Sarangani. Poor pass though.
The turnover. Solomon.
Nice pass on the other end.
Pass just. Wala. Galicia inside.
And that has been the story of the second quarter, Sidel.
Ubalde with a rebound. McLean Sabelina puts it in.
At this point of the game, hahanap ng pasa. At yun ang nakita natin ng first half. Ganun niya sinimula yung third quarter. Suwal, first three-pointer para sa...
To fire the three. Casinillo. Oh, what a move.
I thought I heard a whistle.
Actually, akala ko maaagaw na yung... Zomer Madayak. Oftana knocks down the jumper. Suwal ahead to Santa Ana. Against Galit. Santa Ana puts it in. Bacolod. Sarangani getting a bit of a momentum here in the third quarter as Jordan Santa Ana puts it in for two.
Now they force a turnover. 3-on-2 coming up. Nice move.
Oh, what a pass! Yes!
Break. And this one, sometimes you gotta use the side step to create an angle for the pass, and that's what Galit did. 2+1 coming up.
Play of the game is brought to you by Buenas. He just plays beyond his years. Madayag, drop pass to Destacamento. Destacamento with a turnaround shot, that's good. Hindi short. Takbo ang Sarangani.
Ang bilis. Bacolod, he had a terrific block that ignited a fast break, but talk about terrific shots in this game. Suwal.
Against Destacamento. 8 seconds of the shot clock.
Nice.
Inside, pero Mingan.
You gotta love the patience.
Suwal. Madayag.
Tough shot.
Wow.
Wow.
Oftana. Villarente, too strong, has not found the
Guess
stroke.
who? Madayag.
Here.
Libre na.
Pass chest to
That's a
Kanyal.
foul too, yeah. Ng bola nitong Bacolod. 3-on-1. On the other end, Canal right now can extend with this extra free throw coming up.
Pero Mingan fires a three. Wala. Pastas gets the rebound.
Wow.
And he puts it in. Lead is back up to 12. Oftana
Wow.
off balance shot.
Bang yan sa baseline.
Villarente, jumper, yes.
Cuts.
Pero Mingan, down the middle, the fadeaway,
Nice.
it's good.
Asan nyo muna yung depensa eh, hindi nag-switch, naka-open yung gitna. A little nudge, a little fade. You're taller than the defender.
Madaya grabs the rebound. Out to Suwal. Yes, sir!
And that's what you like about long loose ball rebounds. See right here. Yes, so Madayag getting that one. Pinakitang atake siya. Pasabik lang. Pinasa, itinira ni Sual, pasok. Ang bigat ng tirang yon para ibaba ang kalamangan.
Obalde passes to Marilao. Here's Española. The runner, yes! Five on the shot clock. Nice drop pass. Galicia. Oh, Roque knocks down the 3, 6 points.
In this possession right here, they could trim the lead down to one possession. After a high of 21, Badayag pass and cut.
Casinillo. Oh, what a move. LA Casinillo.
Sidestep. Right here, 1, 2, swing left to right. 2 plus 1, the 3-point play.
20 points now for LA. Villarente knocks down the 3.
Steady looking jumper for Villarente early.
Roque of Tana will fire and will hit. 80-77. Española, step back jumper, wala. Marilao with a putback. Badayag from way out. Yes, sir! It's a 2-point game. 60.
But how about this shot? Hesitated on the first one. And then nung walang lumapit sa kanya, nothing but bottom.
Here comes Jomar. Jomar Badayag. Oh,
Kasi one-on-one, tingin ko hindi kayang ihinto to. Ayan o, ginawang islalom. yung fast break na yon. Yun, nararamdaman natin yan. Pero ito si Badayag, kasi batang-bata pero nagmintis yung una.
16 points, 5 rebounds, 8 assists. Very impressive stat line para dito kay Peromingan. Peromingan sinks the first.
Free throws, had 8 free throws in the first half.
Rocket to inbound.
Wala na.
And